Hi, painting. Welcome back. And so this is week 11 with Miss Williams. And here we go. So this week, as usual, we are going to be sketching 5 new prompts, 2 to 3 minutes every single day, 3 to 4 minutes every single day, and they're going to be sketched and checked every 2 weeks. So just be careful about that. For those of us that are new to my class, here is how to do Freaky Fridays or Artist Spotlights online. And last but not least, this week it is a super short video because you guys already know so much of the info from last week, week 10. So last week, backing up a bit, we did texture charts. I had you guys explore everything from rubbing alcohol, plastic wrap, crayon, paper towel, a doily if you could find them, and so much more. So this week, what I want you to do is you finally get to decide what to paint, and you must include somewhere in your painting a texture that we've already talked about. And so on Monday, I actually want you to do 3 different thumbnails. So 3 baby sketches, mini sketches about this big. So the size of your school ID card or a gift card if you want to trace that on a piece of watercolor paper. And I want you to try to doodle and actually use the textures we talked about on your thumbnails before you go into your final. So you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. I know with mine, I definitely needed 1 or 2 more thumbnails. I think the texture I did in the background turned out great, but it was not easy as it should have been. And if I had practiced just a little bit longer, it would have turned out better. And so while I love my Christine Daae from my favorite movie of all time, I think she could have been better. And I used the paper towel method just for the background. So I didn't even mess with the dress or the individual herself. I just messed with the background, which I think was a smart choice. All right, guys, I cannot wait to see your masterpieces. If you have any questions or you had problems with any of your textures, feel free to email me, mwilliams@alaschools.org, and I will set up either personal tutoring with you or I'll answer anything I can over email. All right, good luck, guys.